So have you ever seen those videos where the elephant toothpaste like explodes and everyone wants to know how it works? I'm gonna teach you. Basically, the yeast and water mix with the soap and peroxide, and the yeast makes the peroxide react quicker. The oxygen from the reaction makes the bubbles from the reaction get big, and that makes it expand and get bigger. First, so how you want to make it is you first want to make sure that you have all of your materials, which include hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, which is optional, dry yeast, and water. First, you're going to want to pour the hydrogen peroxide in a beaker, and you're going to want to squirt some dish soap in it. Then you can add some food coloring if you want, but that's optional. It just makes it look cooler. Then you're going to want to mix that up or like lightly stir it. As you'll see in the video, don't do what I did in the first attempt. And then you're going to want to mix the dry yeast and the water in a separate container and then pour it in, and then the explosion happens. Hey, today I'm going to be doing the elephant toothpaste experiment. I am going to do 2 experiments today. One that I saw that I didn't know that worked, and one that my project was originally on. They both do the same thing, they're just made different ways. I'm gonna make the first way that everyone knows first. And yeah. So first, we need this for the peroxide. And we need a 4th or 3rd cup. Oh, yeah, can we do that? Alright, so we take the peroxide and go over there. And we have to measure out a 3rd cup of peroxide. Alright, now that we've measured out a 3rd cup, we're going to put our funnel in here and pour it down into the water bottle. We're going to save this funnel. And we need some of the soap. And do a few strokes. And then I want it to be red, or purple, red and blue. So I'm going to take my red and my blue and do a few drops of each, and then I'm going to mix it up. Screw the cap on and stir it up. We'll see if this one works. Now we need a spoonful of water, or no, 4 spoonfuls of water, and 1 packet or 1 spoonful of yeast. And we're going to stir that up. And we need to make sure that we get everything off of our workstation because we don't know how big this explosion will be. Go. our funnel here. And now we're gonna pour our mixture in and hopefully watch it explode. Oh, it's dripping down to the bottom. Oh yeah, bubbles. Yeah. So we're gonna do it a second time because I think I shook it up too much, and then the bubbles were a little too much for it. So we're gonna try it a second time.
It's not polished.
Then, but we'll finish this reaction. Yeah, I mean, it kind of works, but we'll try again with it better. So first, we need our hydrogen peroxide. We need 1/3 cup of hydrogen peroxide. And we need our funnel to put it in. Then we need our soap, just a few squirts. Shake that up a little. Now we need our food dye, just 1 squirt, or 2. I did 2 when I said. Now stir that up just a little bit. And now we need to mix our hydrogen, or our water, with yeast to make the hydrogen peroxide react. Just trying to get the yeast packet open, sorry. Yeast. Now we're gonna pour this in. And we're gonna stir it up with this. And now we need to pour the yeast solution into this. And now it should explode and look cool. Ooh. That looks cool. And that is how you do elephant toothpaste. And yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this video. And yeah, thank you.